In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account in Stripe. Whether you're setting up a new business account or just need to update your existing details, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you do it right the first time. Adding your bank account to Stripe is a crucial step for managing your payouts seamlessly and ensuring your funds reach you without any hiccups. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to the official Stripe website. If you're not already familiar with Stripe, it's a fantastic platform that provides a suite of payment products to manage and track your transactions effectively. Once you're on the home page, ensure you're signed into your account. If you're unsure about navigating the site, remember, Stripe's interface is designed to be quite user-friendly, so finding your way should be straightforward. With your account in view, your next action is to locate the Balances section. This feature is where you can monitor all your financial transactions, including pending, available, and paid amounts. Clicking on Balances will give you a comprehensive view of your financing, and from here you'll find the option to Add Bank Account. Adding a bank account might sound simple, but it's essential to have this set up correctly to avoid any payment disruptions. The Add Bank Account button is your gateway to linking your bank directly with your Stripe account. Once you've clicked Add Bank Account, you'll need to input your bank details. Preparing these details ahead of time can save you from fumbling around later. Have your account number and routing number ready. Double-check these, as even minor errors can lead to delays or misdirected funds. It's always a good idea to pause here for a moment and ensure every digit is correct. And there you have it. Once you've entered your bank information and confirmed everything is accurate, click to complete the process. Stripe will securely store your bank information, assuring you that your details are kept safe. This setup will allow your transaction payouts to be transferred effortlessly to your bank, ensuring your business operates smoothly without a hitch. I hope this guide has made you feel more confident about managing your Stripe account. Adding a bank account is fundamental to keeping your business finances in check. Remember to revisit your Stripe settings periodically to make sure all your information remains updated and secure. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out our other guides for more tips on managing your digital financial tools. Happy managing!